Hello everyone and thanks for joining. In this session, I'm going to show you how to get data into your Power BI dashboard. So I'll show you how to do it through Excel, just a regular Excel file. However, getting any other source data is pretty much just as easy as this. So we'll jump in. I'll show you how to get an Excel file so you can get started quickly, and I'll show you how to access other information as well and some helpful tips I can give you along the way. Okay, so if you open up a fresh Power BI dashboard, you'll be opened with this. And really, they do a great job of getting you started because you can see import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, paste that into a blank table, or try a sample data set. So for us, we're just gonna jump into Excel like I said before. And I have different COVID data sets. Let's take COVID deaths, for example. Open it up. And what you'll be presented with are the different sheets in that Excel file. So for this given sheet, I only have one, or this given Excel file, I only have one sheet. So I'll just click the check here, and then it'll give me a preview. So what this does is my data set is by day, each row is an individual day. It'll show by country in the columns how many deaths were experienced as a result of COVID. And we'll just click the load button. And now it's going to pull this information into our query now that we accepted it. And that's it. You now have your data on the right, and you can manipulate it as you wish. I have other videos showing how exactly to do that. Another way you can get data, it showed a few buttons at the front, but that's maybe not the best for everyone, especially if you have different data sets. They could be just links online. It could be all kinds of different things. You can click on Get Data, and then you have more options here. Web is a good one, especially if you use SharePoint. If you have an Excel file in SharePoint or whatever data in SharePoint, you can use web and then take the URL for that SharePoint link and plug it in, and then it'll do the exact same thing we just did with the Excel sheet, but in SharePoint, okay? And if you want more sources, you can click on more, and that'll bring up a whole host of different options. There's SharePoint folders as well. If you want to take a bunch of files from a given SharePoint folder, you can go there as another great option. Your JSON files, CSVs are there as well. You may have data sources unique to your company. You can use ODBC to get some of that information here. You have Python scripts. There's really a whole lot of information that you can pull on for Power BI. So, again, if ever you want more unique data sets to pull from, just click Get Data, More, and from there you'll be able to get pretty much any data source you can think of into your Power BI, okay? That's it for this one, guys. I hope it was helpful. It was very easy and simple one just to get you started into Power BI and bringing your data in. See my other videos if you want to know how to manipulate that information once you have it in Power BI. And I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.